What is wrong, Mr. Mamza? You won't believe it. I and about 500 staffs were sacked from work this morning without any reason.
What?
That is a very bad one. With this economic problems and corona pandemic, I don't even know what to do now. Why not register on INKSNATION? INKSNATION? What is INKSNATION? INKSNATION is not an investment company. INKSNATION is a decentralized autonomous organization that is established to use the power of blockchain to create a digital money that will be approved globally and be enough to pay its members at least 120,000 naira as universal child basic income on monthly basis for life, with a minimum of 1,000 naira for registration.
Wow!
But where is INKSNATION planning to get the money from? INKSNATION is merging cryptocurrency and philanthropism together. They are establishing the first ever crypto in Nigeria. Once the blockchain technology is finally adopted, there will be more than enough money to go round. What will I be doing on the platform to earn? Absolutely nothing, just register and keep your details safe, till when withdrawal will start by August. But if you want to get others started, you will be funded 70,000 naira in your pink card, which you will use to invite new members and they pay to you. Why do I need to pay since they want to eradicate poverty? Any of the 4 plans you decided to start with is just a way of buying shares from the system. Without you activating, you will miss out. Please, show me the way.
To www.inksnation.io in your web browser. After creating your account, contact the person that shared you this video to activate your account. Make sure you verify he or she is a registered member and also have a PIN card.
Tell me, baby, where you from? Waiting to your mind.